Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome today. Yes, today in the daily newspaper of Monday. Yes, Monday, new week, new puzzles. February the 21st, 2022, and no Olympics, no Winter Olympics anymore because the end of the Winter Olympics was yesterday. That's the news of today. We have here in this additional 6 extra puzzles. The first one, letter Sudoku. Then we have a 2 stars Sudoku, a 3 star Sudoku. Tectonic with 4 stars. Tectonic with 1 star. Binary puzzle, and those puzzles I'm not interested. So total of 6 extra puzzles. Yeah, I believe the publisher publish on Saturday, Monday, I believe Thursday, no, Saturday, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday with 6 extra puzzles in additional. So 2 days, the Tuesday and the Thursday, the publisher published 9 extra puzzles. Anyway, let's get started with this one, the 3 stars puzzle. 3 stars Sudoku number 4157. Before I start, I always count the printed digits well. 3 stars has always 25. Let me check if this is correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, correct. 25. Printed digits. Okay, and for 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. If it's really a 3 stars puzzle, we will see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 2 ones. We have here 4 twos, 5 twos. Wow, 5 twos. We have here 4 threes, 4 threes. We have here 3 fours, 2 fives, 2 sixes, no 7s, 2 8s, and 2 9s. So let me start with the 2 then. Okay, let me start with the 2. If I can start with the 2. Okay. We have a 2 in the first column, 2 in the second column. So the third column, only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see that 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2, 2. 2 in this row, 2 in the row above. So on that row, the only place left for the 2 should be here. 2 in this column, 2 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see that 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row. So the row above, only 3 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see that 2, no 2 there, here 2, no 2 there. The only place left for the 2 should be there. And all the 2s are used. I can see. This is number 1, number 2. Okay. Then 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So the column next, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in the third column. Oh, wait. 3, 3 in the 1, 2, 3, 4, yeah. 3 in the first row, 3 in the second row, from the third row, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here. 3 in this column, 3 in the column next, so the last column, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here. 3 in this row, 3 in that row. So the row between the middle row, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 3. Alright. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1 in the last row, so no 1 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1. Should be there. Okay. So we have 8 in the third row, 8 in the second row. So the first row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. Then. Let me see. How about? Yeah. I'm thinking. How about 9, 8, 5, 7, 6. Interesting. The difficult part now. Interesting. 4. Yeah. Yeah. 5, 3, 2, 5. Okay. 4. 5. Oh, okay. We have a pair. Well, here we have 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 4 and the 5. We see here 4 and the 5 in this row, the second row. So no 4 and the 5 in this box. So the 4 and the 5 should be in one of those 3 boxes. 4 and a 5. So we have a 4 and a 5 in one of those 3 boxes in this row. 4 and a 5 in the second row. So the first row, the only 2 places left for the 4 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes. As a pair, 4 and a 5, 4 and 5. Okay. 4 missing numbers now in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 7 and the 6. We have a 7 and a 6 in the middle column. So no 7 and 6 in these 2 boxes. The 7 and 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 7 and 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 7 and 6. So the other pair, the third pair in this big square are the numbers 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6 and 7, 8, and then 9 is missing. 1 and a 9. 1 and the 9. We have a 9 there. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 1 goes there. So here we have 6 and a 7 then. Okay, but we have a 6 in this big square. So no 6 there. 6 should be here. And a 7 goes there in this second row. So 1 box left in this big square for number 7. Alright. Here we have a 1. Here should be a 1 here. We need a 1 in this big square. We see here 1, so no 1's there. So the 1 could be here. Could be there. So 1, 4, 5. So 1 missing number in this third row for the number 1, 4, 5, 2, 3. I believe the 6. 6. Yes, 6 is missing. 197. Okay. 5, 6, 3. 5. Interesting. 2 to 3. Okay. 9. No, 9 we have here. 9. These 3 missing numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 6, 7, and 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 5, 8, 9. Well, will be difficult. 5, 8, 9. 5, 8, 9. That means we have a 9 in this row. 9 in one of those 3 boxes in the last row. So the row between only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. You see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in the last column, 9 in the column next. On that column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, the 7 goes there. Okay. 7, 7, 7. 4, 2, 3. 6, 7, 5. 6, 7, 5. 5, 5. 5, 5. Yeah. I'm thinking. 9. 1, 1. 5, 8, 9. 5, 8, 9. We have a 5 here. 8, 9, and a 6 should be here. Yeah, 6, 6. Interesting. All right. 6, 6. Okay. Huh? Haha. Yeah. Here we have in these 3 boxes 5, 8, 9. So what are the other 2 boxes in the last row? Should be the 6 is missing and the 7 is missing. 6 and the 7, 6 and the 7 as a pair. 6 and the 7, we have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here and the 7 goes there. 5, 8, 9. Okay. All right. 6, 6. 5. 6, 5, 9. No, 6, 5, 8. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see an 8 in the last column. No 8 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8. In this big square should be there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square. For numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing and a 6 is missing. 5 and a 6. 5 and a 6. We have a 6 there. No 6 there. 6 should be here and a 5 goes there. 1 box left in the last column for the number 1. 2, the 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 7, 7, 7. 7, 7, 7. 7, 7. Okay, 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing. And the 6 is missing. 5 and a 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay. Yeah, also the 6. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing number in this row is the number 6. We see here 6 in this column. No 6 there. Here 6 in this column. No 6 there. Here 6 in this column. No 6 there. And the first column. Here we have a 6. So no 6 there. The only place left for the 6 in this row should be there. The 6. Okay. Right. 1. Okay. 1, 4, 8. 1, 4, 8. Okay, 1, 4, 8. Let me think. 2 missing numbers in this row. For number 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing. 1 and the 5. 1 and the 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 1 and a 5. So we have a 9 in this column, 9 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left for the 9 should be here. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 9 should be there. and all the 9s are used. I can't see. This is number 3, number 9. Okay, 2 missing numbers in this big square. I have marked those 5, 8, 9. We have a 9 there, so 5 and 8 are missing. 5 and the 8. We have 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here. The 5 goes there. Now we have a 5 there, so this box can't be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 4. 4 in this column, 4 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. Yeah. 8, 6, 8, and 6. 2 missing numbers in this column. For numbers 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 and a 7, 1 and a 7. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here. The 7 goes there. 1 in this row. 1 in the middle row. So the row above. The only place left for the 1 should be there. 7 in this row. 7 in that row. So the row between the middle row. The only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 in this column. 7 in the second column. So the first column. The only place left for the 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see. This is number 4, number 7. 2 missing numbers now in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and the 8, 4 and the 8. We have 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here. The 4, it goes there. Then. Yeah. 2 missing numbers in this row. For numbers 1, 2, 3, the 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here. The 4, it goes there. 1 box left in this big square. For number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. Now we have a 5 here, so this box can't be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 1. 1 in this column, third column, 1 in the first column, so the column between the second column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left. I've marked those numbers, the 4 and the 5. 4 and the 5 are missing. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5, it goes there. Now we have a 5 there, so this box can't be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 6. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 8 goes there. Final 2 numbers of this big square. For numbers 1, 2, 3, the 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 8 it goes there. Finish in 70 minutes. 3 stars. No, let me give this a 2 stars. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it all solved by yourself. Thank you again for watching. Before I leave, I'm interested in the center boxes of the big squares. I'm analyzing for 4 weeks and gathering all the data. Maybe you can see a pattern, maybe I can see a pattern, I do not know. So we have here 714, 245, 245, and 469. 469. We have here triple pair, the 4, the triple pair. All right. Okay. Thank you for watching, and I will see you later with the other 2 puzzles. Binary puzzle and a tectonic with 4 stars. See you then. Bye-bye for now.